Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to make keyboard typing clicks louder. So first thing first, go to settings right here, then scroll down a little bit until you find sound and haptics. Click on that, then turn on change with buttons option. After that, you will be able to change the louder using volume up and volume down button right here. So let's see, make it louder, and let's see, and as you can see, it sounds much more louder. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.